Well, hello and welcome back to Equipping Kingdom Disciples. I'm Pastor Robert Treadwell. Spring is upon us, and I'm just doing a little spring cleaning, which brings me to a thought. When I often spring clean, there are three things that are part of my spring cleaning. One, I take a look at what has piled up, and I purge, throw out that which is not needed. Secondly, I clean that which has been dusted over the winter time and needs to be reshined, brought back to its brilliance again. And then finally, if there's continuity that has been lost, I make sure we reorganize, get things back in order. The same thing should happen when we are about spring cleaning in our Christian living. We should make sure that we are purging out those things that don't belong and make sure that we are in tune with what God has orchestrated and shared about us in the scriptures. We need to make sure that we are staying cleansed and pure with the righteousness that God has imputed to us. And then finally, we need to stay organized. Stop bringing all this chaotic mess that is in the world into our lives and bringing it into the church, into other brothers and sisters' lives as well. Spring cleaning is necessary. And I pray that you will come along with me on the journey and spring clean out your lives as well. Summer, fall, and yes, even next winter will be so much better until we meet again. I hope and pray that you keep on growing on toward greater faith.